This question is asking us to create an equation based on a real-world problem. Let's go ahead and read what equation they want us to build. It says that while Dana is creating an equation to model the growth of bacteria in science class, she starts with 20 bacteria cells, and they multiply by 2 every day. She ends her experiment with 320 cells after X days. Which of the following exponential equations best models her experiment? Well, let's go ahead and build off of those parts that we highlighted. There are 3 major numbers there. So we know there is a 20. It looks like that's how much we started with. We are multiplying by 2 every single day. So I'm going to write multiply by 2. Now, since that's happening every single day, it's actually going to be raised to the power of the number of days, right? Because if it's 1 day, it would be 2 to the power of 1. After 2 days, it would actually be 20 times 2 to the power of 2. So that x, the number of days right here, actually belongs as the exponent right there. So building off what we have so far, we have 20 times 2 to the power of x. And the very last thing is she ends the experiment with 320 cells. So the end of everything, after it's doubled or been multiplied by 2 multiple times, we know that the whole thing comes out to be 320. So equals 320. Let's go ahead and match that to our answer choices. A looks pretty much the same. That's probably going to be our answer. B, 20 times 2x. There's no power being raised there. I'm going to cross that out. And then C and D both have 20 to the power of 2. But the x is not being raised. It's just being multiplied, which is inaccurate here for the exponential equation. So the answer is A.